this is my night skincare routine, and the goal is to keep it simple and make sure you get all the hydration from the product. So the first thing I'm going to start with is to wash my hands, just to avoid transfer of bacteria from your hands to your face. This is the cleanser I'm going to use. I'm going to use CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. It's for normal to dry skin. So with this product, it hydrates your skin and it removes makeups and cleanses your face without disturbing your skin essential barriers. And it has 3 essential ceramides, and it has hyaluronic acids also, which helps with all that. So and this is how to use this product to get all the hydration that you need from it. So the first thing you want to do is to wet your face, because I had sunscreen in the morning. You want to make sure that I had applied sunscreen in the morning. You want to make sure that you cleanse your face very well to remove everything. But I didn't have any makeup. The only makeup I have is my lipstick, the lip gloss. So I'm going to, then you want to take this product, put it in your hands. This is how it looks like if you haven't seen it before. It's creamy, and you want to massage it in your hands, and this is how it will look like after you massage it in your hands. Then you want to gently massage it in your skin for 60 seconds. So you massage it all over. If you feel like you need to apply more, you can, but I really don't feel like I need any more. Sometimes I do use cotton pad. Sometimes I use cotton pad with CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. You want to go ahead and cut dry your skin. Make sure you're very gentle with your skin. So the goal is to hydrate your skin. The goal is to make sure that you get all the moisture in your skin, and that's exactly what all these products do. So the first thing I do, I just use a little bit of Vaseline on my lips. Then my second product is going to be a toner. I'm using Elf Skin. Yeah, make sure a little bit you shake it. Then I'm going to use cotton pad with it, just the way I did in the morning. So the moment you start putting this product in your skin, you can just feel the hydration. You can feel the way it leaves your skin. Very nice. As I said in the morning, you want to make sure you avoid toners with alcohol in them. They'll make your skin very dry. Then I'll let it dry. Let it dry. So this is my skin. So sometimes I just put it on my hands and apply it on the skin like this. And you can actually feel the hydration. Then after toner, I go with retinol. So these I use CeraVe retinol serum. Retinols are very, very good for cell production, and you need to use retinols at night. it helps with cell production, and also collagen happens at night, so you want to use this product at night. So I'm going to use this. Other days I'll use sometimes I use Revolution Salicylic Acid Serum. This one is also very good. It gives your skin a very dewy, it leaves your skin very dewy and very feeling very soft. And once in a while you want, as you start your skincare journey, or as you go on with your skincare journey, you want to stop scrubbing yourself with those all those things we used to scrub ourselves with, like sugar and stuff. You need to stop. In 2023, please use a chemical exfoliant. This is a very good one, Paula's Choice. And this product, you don't want to use it each and every day. Use it maybe thrice. You use it thrice a week or twice a week. That's enough for exfoliation. So, and it has salicylic acid. This is a very good product for exfoliating your skin. So I'm going to use retinol. I'm going to use CeraVe retinol serum. It has a bump, which is very good, so you don't want to use a lot of it. I did a video showing you how to use this product from A to Z. You can go and check it out. I'll leave it on the description box below. So you don't want to use a lot of it, and you want to avoid the eye area and the mouth area while using this product. And you can see how it is on my skin. You can see how it is on my skin. Very good. Feels so nice and very soft, this product. You can add as much as you want, but you want to make sure you avoid the eye area. So you can see how it my skin is. This is hydration, and this is how you get your glass skin, you know. Then the next thing I'm going to do, with these products, because it has a retinol in it, you want to make sure you leave this product on your skin for maybe 30 minutes before you apply any moisturizer or before you apply anything else on your skin. Same goes to this product. It has 2% BHA. You want to make sure you leave this product on your skin for 30 minutes before you apply any product, just to make sure this product goes in your skin very well. It absorbs in your skin, so I'm going to let my skin sit for 30 minutes, then I'm going to come back to finish. So this is after 30 minutes. I'm going to apply Inkilist Niacinamide serum. I just love applying Niacinamide serum. It helps with hydration. It locks in this the moisture in the skin. You know, this is how it is. Very good product, you know. And I'm just going to apply. I do put them in my hand just to avoid these contact marks. Look at how this look at how my skin is very good and very nice. Look at how my skin is. Look at how my skin is with these products. Just look for yourself. It's very good and very amazing. Sorry guys, I forgot to apply my eye cream. So you want to make sure you apply your eye cream on the eye area. And yes, and the last thing you want to do, you don't want to skip moisturizing. I use CeraVe moisturizing cream. There is just something that I just love with this product. I keep on coming back to it every now and again. I've not found that moisturizer, because I have a combination of dry to oily skin, but I'm on the dry part. So this product is for dry to very dry skin. It does moisturize my skin just perfectly. So this is what I use. I just use a little bit of it. Just use a little bit of it. It does moisturize my skin so good and very nice. Just concentrate on. And by this time my skin is very soft and very nice, and it's feeling like my skin is just so nice and very soft. So yeah, this is it for this video. Let me know in the comment section below how is your AM and PM skincare routine like. Yes, and yeah, it's time to go put my daughter to bed. It's bedtime. It's bedtime now actually. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thank you. Bye bye. Lots of love.